So guys, for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Now you want to click on app settings. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. You want to reset the Microsoft Store. And now once that's been done, we can now resolve this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache, which is now going to reopen the Microsoft Store, and this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you can sign out of your account and then sign back in, see if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. You want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Once your computer is fully up to date, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.